I feel gratitude to take a chance. Are you interested bike repairing related videos? Watch. You are subscribed now this YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Hello my friend, my name is Gaurav. You are watching now Gauravmodification YouTube channel. This video is engine assemble video and Bajaj Pulsar. Original parts are using this engine for fitting. You will watch this video carefully because I am assemble this video is very cautiously and most the important knowledge I am share this video, so you will watch this video last time. So my friends, let's begin.
First of all, cleaning is a very important part for assembling because damaged parts are found is easy to clean. Also parts are clean, so damaged parts is found easily. And I am use this cleaning diesel also. This small parts is different content. I am use a container. So this is head cap and this is a lay shaft for gearbox, so you will see. And most middle size parts are included. This is a small nut bolts, is a different box for different box. This is a packing kit for original Bajaj, and all bearings are lubricants for fitting. After fitting, all bearings are lubricant because I'll washing this engine washings before bearings are junked and rust. So oiling is very important for fitting process. This is new bearing pair. I'll check this crank, and connecting rod is new also. And this is gearbox setting is easy way to fitting. I'll also 30 to 50 times fitting this gearbox because Pulsar is a very favorite bike is my is very favorite bike. I am must ways to use these parts. Thank you. And I'll check repeatedly because I'll not remove this engine repeat and repeat. This is kick idle gear, and kick idle gear is very easy to fitting. And this is scissor gear. Scissor gear is must be important to vibration, engine vibration control. So I'll fit this process to very point to check of timing drum, clutch drum timing is very important to fitting. So nice fitting. And this is welding. I'll facing is a workshop for Habdu mechanic Narnol. I am repair this crankcase.
this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.